So ito, punta kami sa beach front. So syempre, kalakad-lakad. Gusto namin makita yung sunrise. So makikita nyo dito, ayan ang view namin from the hotel. So medyo konting tao pa. So ayan, napakaganda talaga dito sa Boracay. Ito, sunrise. Konti pa tao. So marami pang tulog. Naka-ready na rin ng beach chair pero lalagyan pa ng sapin yan. So ito, lakad-lakad muna kami para may enjoy namin ang hangin ng Boracay. Ito, ang sarap talaga dito. So ito, napakapayapa. Medyo low tide siya. So nakita nyo reflection ng sunlight dito sa dagat. Ayan. So much peaceful talaga dito. Ito, solid. Ang misis ko, syempre, kailangan ko na ng video. Mandatory yan. Okay. So, na yan, napaka-pino talaga ng buhangin. So, nabes ko na sinabi, napakaganda talaga ng buhangin dito. Pero, sarap ulitin. Sarap balikan talaga. So kami nagkaya kami.
Ayan.
Kaya may
Do sir. Bila.
may nagalok sa amin. May nagalok sa amin picture taking. Not sure kung magkano, limutan ko na. So ayan, makikita niyo si Kuya. Pictorial kami. Siyempre, per request ng misis ko yan.
One more.
Ayan, check lang natin. Yan. Yan, sabi nga. Ayan ang outcome ng picture namin. Sana magustuhan nyo. Diba? For 200 data yan. I think 15-minute boat ride. Kayak ride yan. So, after namin mag-pictorial, syempre, tambay muna kami sa beach. But, so, lakad-lakad. Ayan.
Sa harapan kayo?
Wala na. Sis.
Kain na, kain. Si Micah?
Nagsusunod.
Okay.
Pipili ko kayo na.
So ito, after namin mag-breakfast, nag-swimming naman kami dito sa rooftop, sa roof deck ng Henan. So yan, ganda talaga dito. So syempre, medyo patanghali na, pero sobrang sarap pa rin tubig, di ganong kalamig. So ito, papad muna kami. Syempre, ito konti pa bisita nito, siguro kumakain pa. Okay. Nagalang namin talaga mag-breakfast para makapagano kami. Ma-enjoy namin ng second day namin sa Boracay. Syempre, okay. Ito, ayan, chill lang. Ito, sobrang sarap talaga dito. So, masarap siyang balikan mo. Recommended talaga tong Henan. Although, medyo pricey siya, pero you know, once in a while, maganda rin i-try din. Okay, sulit naman, worth it naman yung binayad namin ito. Ito sa isa sa pinakamagandang amenities ng Henan. Itong poolside nila or infinity pool nila kako. So, ayan. So, yan lang. So, wala pang masyadong tao, wala pang masyadong nakahiga sa beach chair. Okay. Siyempre, aura-aura lang ang misis ko dito. Ako, langit-langit lang. Siyempre, papalamig. Sobrang init talaga. Ito, ina-enjoy lang namin ng aming oras dito.
having Jack and Coke in the middle of the heat of the day. Nothing beats Jack and Coke by the poolside. Yes. Right? Am I correct?
What are your plans today?
Yeah, we'll be having lunch around the island. Probably we will visit 3 places. We're not gonna visit every tourist destination, but our favorite will be our favorite place to visit will be Coca Beach, Bulabo, and forget the name of the last one.
Diniwig.
Yeah, that's the one. So
Diniwig.
of course, it's our last full day today. Although our last is our last is tomorrow, but we're gonna go all out for today. Tomorrow, Boracay has its own event, La Boracay. But yeah, so far I'm enjoying it. Yeah, nothing. Boracay is just a very special place. Of course, everyone loves this beach. Then, of course, as much as I love to swim, but I don't want to get toasted due to the extreme heat. Yeah, I love the weather, but yeah, like for now, at this hour, I like just to chill, in front of the beach, and probably in the afternoon we'll do another round of swimming until late evening. Okay, thank you fans for supporting. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. For any suggestion, you can just leave a comment there, and as much as possible, I'll try to respond to every comment. Thank you, fans.
Bye, Sunny.
Fans.
Ito, after namin mag-dimol, nag-swimming ulit kami. Palamig ulit kami sa pool. Ayan. Ito, kasama ko yung family ko. Siyempre, kapatid ko. Yeah, umorder rin kami ng snacks namin. French fries, tacos. Yan. So, itong view namin sa pool bar. Sobrang ganda. Ayan, may mga kasama kami foreigner. Foreigner din dito. Chill lang. So, ito. Ganda talaga. Hindi mo mararamdaman ng init dito habang nasa pool ka talaga. So, iba, parang sarap kumain ng snacks habang nasa pool ka. Ay, iba talaga experience.
Maluwag na kayo para matesa natin to. Lalo ka ng konti para makita.
Pag lumabog kami. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Kita ba, May?
Okay, after namin mag-snacks, okay, back to swimming ulit kami. Siyempre, ito, tuturuan ko yung asawa ko lumungoy dito. Siyempre, konting lambingan. Sweetness, siyempre. Major lang namin to. Okay, yan. Ganda talaga ng view. Medyo konti lang tao dito siguro para may nasa beach, siguro. So, ayan. Ganda talaga. Yan. Ito yung infinity pool. Ang ganda ng coconut view dito. Tapos, next is yung view ng beach. Enjoy talaga.
Okay, kaway-kaway muna tayo dyan. Hey! Mag-ingay. Hi, Angeloxy. Alright. Okay, babe. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna say, hey! You know? Okay, lakasan pa natin. Hello, hands up. Alright. Okay, one more. Dito naman tayo kay Coco Martin. Alright. Okay, and then wave. Okay. Flying kiss. Okay, come on, stand up. Tayo. And then say, I love Boracay. Come on, give me jump shot. 1, 2, 3, jump. Say bye-bye.
So ito, bumalik ulit kami yung station 2 para sa sunset. Medyo nahuli na kami ng dating kasi nga nag-land tour nga kami. Pero yun, naabutan pa rin namin yung sunset. Mas paborito pa rin namin mag-sunset dito. Naman ang nightlife dito sa Boracay. So, pasin nyo, loud music. May mga bar din dyan. Pabalik na kami. Mag-aalam kami kung saan kami kakain nito. So, ayan. So, may ingay siya sa gabi. Siyempre, yan talaga ang Boracay. Party beach talaga siya.
Surprise! Apa dito man?
So ayan, may nagpa-fire dance. So ito talaga pinuntahan namin. Kaya ito napili naming restaurant para kainan. Kasi may fire show talaga siya. So ayan, enjoy kayo, panoorin. So ito, last day na namin sa Boracay. So ikot-ikot lang kami dito. In-enjoy namin last day. Okay, syempre, magsiswimming pa kami dito. So yan, swimming. Morning dip sa beach. Yan, payapa talaga. So recommended talaga siya kahit may bata. Kasi mababaw lang talaga siya, honestly, sa Boracay. Ayan. So, yun lang, oy. Ito, enjoy ang third day namin. Kasi, I think by flight namin back to Manila is 3 p.m. Yun. Pero, syempre, we have to check out ng 12 puntang airport, ganyan. So, yan. Last swimming in Boracay.
Here we're just chilling our last day in Boracay. Okay, so we'll make. Okay, so hopefully last day we'll enjoy ourselves.
During the last 7 minutes.
Even though we want to extend, but we have to go back to our reality. But definitely there will be next time. Probably in Coron, Palawan. Right, guys?
Yes!
Yay!
See you in the next episode!
The next episode of our vlog. Love, love. My God, I can
Go, honey.
leave my career then to be a travel blogger.
At least
I'll change career. I'll be a travel blogger.
Like.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay.
Yes. So,
Okay, you can put suggestion or what place you want to see next. Okay. Okay, if you want UK, we can go to UK. I can do travel vlog na.
Oh, my way po.
it's been fun.
Yeah, we had so much fun.
Boracay.
53. It's 58. Sabi mo 8:53. 7? Not 7. Kuya's taking it back. He's taking
At syempre, after kumain, napag-usapan namin magpa-massage. So, may bayad siya. Okay, I think 700 ata pag full body.
Thank you, Hannah. Wala naman naiwan. Wala eh. Oh, hi.